We're here with Todd Zurich at Hollaender Manufacturing. It's June 24th, and we're going to get an update on the new facility.
On May 6th, we had our groundbreaking ceremony where we put shovels in the ground. And today, fast forward to June 24th, we have the site up to level. We've trucked in, the folks have trucked in just absolute massive amounts of clay, moved all kinds of topsoil, and now we're preparing for geopiers and foundational work.
So what this really means for the community, not only from an economic development standpoint, but it shows me that we have businesses here in the village of Woodlawn that really wants to grow. And for example, Hollaender have been here for 4 generations. It tells me that they like what they are in, the community that they're in. We support their business. They support us as a village.
When you're standing here now, it really gives you a good footprint of the building, right? You kind of have a good understanding of how big this thing's really going to be. 32,000 square feet is just a number in your head, right. And then you see it, you're like, oh, well, this is a pretty huge amount of space, a significant upgrade in space.
More recent years, Rob Hollaender III has become involved in the organization much more. The building is something he's been pushing for, quite frankly, for a number of years, and we've just kind of held off. Because obviously it's a significant expense. Is there another way to do this? Try to streamline the process, other things. But as we've continued to grow that fabrication business, it simply doesn't make sense in the current footprint.
Inventory is a big deal in today's supply chain, right? The more we can keep on our shelves, the less we have volatility as far as purchasing and pricing and those kind of things. And then with extended lead times, that becomes part of it too. So to us, it's being able to consolidate that labor force, get some massive efficiencies, and then 2, inventory space.
Will their workflow change at all?
Well, you're going to see the 2 things that are going to be probably the biggest enhancement for the folks who are going to be working in this building are today, we load and unload all trucks outside. So in the weather in Cincinnati, whether it's 95 degrees and hot, or it's snowing and sleeting and all the stuff that happens here, we're now going to have a drive-in truck bay that will allow them to load and unload all shipments in the comfort of the 32,000 square foot fabrication building. To me, that's going to be huge for those guys.
Right.